Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can level up fast in Monopoly Go. So there's actually a few different methods which we can do to actually level up fast, so I'm going to go through them all now. First way I would suggest is to complete quick wins. Quick wins are small challenges that you can complete to earn rewards, including XP. There are a variety of quick wins available, so you should be able to find some that you can easily complete. And you can find quick wins in the bottom left corner. Next up is to level up your net worth. Your net worth is the total amount of money that you have in-game. The higher your net worth, the more XP you will earn, and in turn, the higher level you will go. Purchase power-ups. Power-ups can give you a temporary advantage in the game, such as the ability to roll doubles or to collect extra money. Power-ups can be purchased with in-game currency or real money. Playing with friends. Playing with friends can help you level up faster as you will earn more XP for winning games. Competing daily challenges. These challenges are usually not very difficult to complete, so you should be able to complete them every day. And finally, you can invite friends to play. So you can actually earn XP by inviting friends to play Monopoly Go. So if you have friends that don't play Monopoly Go yet, be sure to invite them. So those are my main tips on how you can level up fast in Monopoly Go. If you take all these points into account, and do those things I said about, you will be able to level up super fast in Monopoly Go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.